10 to 11,000 na single attached bungalow unit. Meron pa ba niyan sa Cavite? Yung tipong complete finish
Well,
I got you dahil meron tayo niyan dito kay Paradisimo in Nai, Cavite. Available pa yan sa Pag-ibig at Bank Finance. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another quick house. Down to 17 units na lang tayo for the inventory, kaya for sure paunahan na lang talaga to. For today nga, natutuwa ako sa client ko kasi upon visit namin sa site, diretso reserve sila kasi nagustuhan nila yung community. Naka-promo pa tayo na balik reservation at may free appliance. For our units here, meron tayong minimum lot area na 90 square meters at may floor area na 38 square meters. May option ka na mag-complete finish or basic finish. And imagine ha, 13 to 19,000 ang monthly down payment mo for 24 months at 10 to 11 naman for the monthly amortization. Magkakaroon ka na ng bungalow single attached unit. Required income ay pumapatak ng 30 to 32,000 basic fee, so pwedeng-pwede ka rin mag-co-borrow. Nagustuhan ko pa dito, may resort type na amenities, kaya naman for sure ma-enjoy to na family mo. At higit sa lahat, one bus ride